Hello everyone, welcome to Coding School. Today we are going to study switch statement. If you want to only learn code, then directly go on this time. Multiple conditions are there in switch statement, so it executes only one statement from them. Functionality of switch statement is similar to if-else-if ladder statement, but the syntax is different. It works with data types like byte, short, int, long, and string. In other words, switch statement tests the equality of variable against multiple values. Let's see the points to remember while applying switch statement. First point is there can be one or n number of case values for switch expression. The switch value must be of switch expression type only. The case value must be literal or constant. It doesn't allow variables. Next point is the case value must be unique. In case of duplicate value, it renders compile time error. Each case statement can have break statement which is optional. When control reaches break statements, it jumps the control. So after the switch expression, if break statement is not found, it executes the next case. The case value can have default label which is optional. It executes when value of expression doesn't match any one of the switch cases. Let's see the syntax for switch statement. Expression is a variable name which contains value similar to one of the switch cases. So if value 1 and expression is same, code in case 1 will be executed. If value 2 and expression is same, then code in case 2 will be executed. And if no case is similar to expression, then default statements will be executed. Question for switch statement is write a program to perform arithmetic operation using switch case. So let's start with the programming. Import java.util.asterisk public static void main string args scanner s equals to new scanner system dot in int a b answer choice system dot out dot println 1 addition 2 subtraction 3 multiplication 4 division system dot out dot println again system dot out dot println enter two numbers a equals to s dot next int b equals to s dot next int. Now take choice from user, so system dot out dot println enter choice choice equals to s dot next int switch choice case 1 answer equals to a plus b system dot out dot println addition equals to answer, break. Case 2, answer equals to a minus b, system dot out dot println, subtraction equals to answer, break. Case 3, answer equals to a into b, system dot out dot println, multiplication equals to answer, break. Case 4, answer equals to a divided by b, system dot out dot println, division equals to answer, break. Default, system dot out dot println, invalid choice. Our code for given question is ready, so run the program. Enter 4, 8 and enter choice as 1. So it gives output as addition equals to 12. Now let's see the syntax of switch statement if expression is string. Only difference in syntax of integer expression and string expression is this, that case value is written in double quotation marks. Now let's also see the program for string expression. We have to make small changes, like first we have to make choice variable as string. Make s.next int as s.next and give quotation marks to each switch case value and make test cases as plus, minus, multiplication, divide. Run the program. Give input as 10, 5 and give choice as minus. So it gives output as subtraction equals to 5. So in this way today we study switch statement. If you understand the concept, please give like to the video and share it with your friends. Thank you for watching the video and let's meet tomorrow with another interesting topic.